Today, let's write the letters E, F, G, and H. Let's start with the letter E. First, we start at the top and go zoom all the way down. Next, lift your finger and come back to the top and let's go across. Zoom. Now, lift your finger, come down to the middle and let's go across. Zoom. Lift your finger again. Let's put it down to the bottom and go across. Zoom. Well done. That's the letter E. Let's write it one more time. Zoom, 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 zoom. E. Now, let's write F. Start at the top and go all the way down first. Zoom. Now, lift your finger up and come back to the top. Now let's go across. Zoom. Now, lift your finger again and bring it down to here. And across we go. Zoom. And that's the letter F. Let's write it one more time. Zoom. 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 F. Okay, let's write the letter G. Start at the top and whoop, around we go. Now for the straight line across. Zoop. There's the letter G. Let's write it one more time. Whoop, zoop. G. Now for the letter H. Let's start at the top and go all the way down. Zoop. Now lift your finger, come over here and go all the way down again. Zoop. Now lift your finger again, bring it over here and across we go. Zoom. Well done. That's the letter H. Let's write it one more time. Zoop, zoop, zoom. H. Well done. You can practice writing letters in your workbook.